This tool is called an automatic center punch. What this does is this gives you a pilot hole for your screws or nails. It makes it a lot easier to get your screws started. This works in wood or in metal. But as with many other inventions, we've discovered that this tool has a second purpose. Let's go outside and I'll show you how this little tool can save your life. If you live in a flood area or somewhere where there's water all around you, there is the possibility that you're going to end up in your car underwater at some point. That's a life-threatening situation. Now, I'm going to show you how the center punch could save your life. I've picked up this old door at a salvage yard so that I can show you how this works. Now, I have safety glasses and gloves on, but obviously if you're in your car and you're going underwater, you're not going to have that. So be sure to shield your face. Reach over and grab your center punch out of the glove box, shield your face, put it up to the window, and push. Now, this may never happen to you, but if it does, you'll be glad you have this little tool in your glove box.